In addition to your cardio sessions on a treadmill or exercise bike, it's important to include some strength training in your workout routine. Lifting weights or using other resistance methods just 2 days a week can strengthen your muscles, bones, joints, and improve your quality of life. Investing in a pair of the best adjustable dumbbells is a great way to build muscle and boost your metabolism at home. These space-saving weights combine several dumbbells, and you can quickly change the load even mid-workout. Not only do you save a fortune on space on multiple sets of dumbbells, but a decent pair of adjustable dumbbells allow you to change the weight of your dumbbells at the click or twist of a button. And with high-tech models allowing digital rep counting and monitoring your form, what's not to love? After hours of research and after taking experts' advice, we have listed the 8 best adjustable dumbbells to help you choose the one that suits you perfectly. The links for the products mentioned in the video are in the description below. You can also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, pickadvisor.com. Let's get right into our top picks. Number 8. Lifepro Adjustable Dumbbell. The Lifepro Adjustable Dumbbell set is not your average fitness equipment. Offering quick and easy weight adjustments from 5 pounds to 25 pounds, it's the perfect all-in-one solution for anyone looking to customize their strength training routine. Whether you're a fitness newbie or a seasoned bodybuilder, these adjustable weights will improve your game. With its ingenious weight adjustment mechanism, you can shift effortlessly between weights, making it ideal for various exercises and fitness levels. This is handy, especially during those high-intensity workout sessions where quick weight adjustments are crucial. The adjustable dumbbell set also includes a sleek and sturdy rack to keep your adjustable dumbbells organized and secure. Not only does it cater to your unique strength training needs, but it also promises a fun, challenging, and efficient workout every time. Number 7. Flybird Adjustable Dumbbells. The Flybird dumbbells, which adjust from 11 to 55 pounds, are some of the more compact dumbbells we tested. If you're not ready to spend a fortune upgrading your home gym, the Flybird adjustable dumbbells represent excellent value in the ever-saturated world of strength training gear. Performance-wise, these dumbbells are very similar in feel and function to the more expensive Bowflex, NordicTrack, and Core home fitness brands. The mini weight plates fit snugly together and don't rattle around too much. The knurl is also top-notch. The contour design lets you get a firm grip on everything before you pick it up. Not everyone needs a full 55 pounds of dumbbell for their home gym, and Flybird hits the mark with their 25-pound adjustable dumbbells. Number 6. ProForm Rapid Strike. ProForm's Rapid Strike 50-pound adjustable dumbbells are a quality steel set that racks 10 to 50 pounds with a mere pull of a pin. You get only 5 weight increments per dumbbell, but that's plenty of load variation for basic strength training exercises like squats, presses, and curls. The fact that the length changes as you add weight makes these feel more like a traditional dumbbell. Use them on your own or pair them with an iFit membership for live and on-demand trainer-led fitness classes. Number 5. Yes for All Adjustable Dumbbells. The Yes for All adjustable dumbbell set is the perfect addition to your home gym. This game changer brings the convenience of a gym right to your home, offering limitless workout options. No more waiting for gym equipment or commuting. This 200-pound set of 2 loadable dumbbells is a hefty addition to your fitness routine that won't demand any extra square footage. From beginners just starting their journey to seasoned lifters breaking through plateaus, everyone can benefit from the versatility of this adjustable dumbbell set. With adjustable dumbbells, the workout possibilities are endless. Chest press, bicep curls, squats, lunges, you name it. With a simple setup, your workout can start from the moment you unpack. Number 4. PowerBlock Elite EXP. The PowerBlock Elite EXP adjustable dumbbells are made by a brand with a strong legacy, known for their adjustable dumbbells since 1991. With their trademark block design, they offer a comfortable setup for exercises like chest press and shoulder press, as you can rest the dumbbells on your legs without discomfort. Among various options, the Elite EXP stands out, ranging from 1 to 23 kilograms with an upgrade potential of up to 41 kilograms per dumbbell. Another bonus is the shortening length of the dumbbells as less weight is selected. If you do the math, this PowerBlock adjustable dumbbell set replaces 825 pounds of free weights. Think of how much space that would take up in your house. Not only can you quickly swap weights using a magnetic polypropylene selector pin, you can also fine-tune your load by adding or removing the 2.5-pound adder weights in each handle. And if a 50-pound max isn't enough for you, you can opt for the 5 to 70-pound or 5 to 90-pound expansion sets. While not the cheapest on the market, They offer added value with a reassuring 5-year warranty. Number 3. Bowflex SelectTech 552. The Bowflex SelectTech 552 adjustable dumbbell set allows you to simplify your workout space with this versatile equipment, which replaces 15 sets of weights. Effortlessly adjust your resistance from a light 5 pounds to an intense 52.5 pounds with a swift turn of the dial. This adjustable dumbbell set is more than just a dumbbell set. With full access to the Journey app, you can avail of on-demand full-body strength classes. The app also offers motion tracking, real-time rep counting, form guidance, and adaptive weight targets. So not only do you get a versatile adjustment dumbbell set, but also a virtual trainer to guide you through each rep. Number 2. Core Home Fitness Adjustable Dumbbell. The Core Home Fitness Adjustable Dumbbells will change the way you work out. Not only are they incredibly stylish looking, but they have a versatile weight spectrum. The Core Home Fitness Adjustable Dumbbells are an excellent contender. These have a metal rod that lengthens from within the handle to secure to additional plates when you increase the load, which makes them appreciably shorter than the Bowflex weights, especially at the lower end of the 50-pound max. The heavy-duty rod also makes them feel like a sturdy, long-lasting set. It takes just seconds to change weight during a workout, and this made our sessions seamless when switching between upper and lower body exercises. We also love that the weight plates are a little larger than the other models, and that they sit at the ends of the barbell. This means that we can easily grab hold of them when we wanted to execute moves like a sumo squat or single-leg RDL. The best thing about this particular set is a twist lock technology, which lets you quickly re-rack the weights with just one hand. The locking mechanism is super secure, but you'll also have a solid grip on the handles, even when hoisting the max weight, thanks to the contoured, rubberized grip. Number 1. NordicTrack Select-A-Weight Adjustable Dumbbells. Whether you train in a home gym or your spare bedroom, the NordicTrack Select-A-Weight dumbbells are a solid bit of kit if you're looking to save some space without compromising on weight selection. There's a lot to enjoy with these dumbbells. The octagonal plate shape prevents the weights from rolling around and creates stability and versatility, and they feel sturdy overall. The NordicTrack 55-pound Select-A-Weight adjustable dumbbells replace 30 dumbbells with a single pair. Starting at 10 pounds and capable of going all the way up to 55 pounds, these even increase in 2.5-pound increments, a more accessible add-on than 5 or 10 pounds. To swap the weight, you just lift the adjustable pin on the side of each dumbbell, slide it to the weight you want, then release it to lock it in place. If you're not sure what to do with adjustable dumbbells, the 30-day iFit trial gives you access to on-demand strength training sessions filmed in a studio and around the world, along with yoga, rowing, running, cycling, and walking classes to round out your training. Dumbbells are a great tool to keep in your home gym or apartment for accessory work and high-intensity exercise circuits. That said, why own 15 pairs of dumbbells when you could own one set of adjustable dumbbells that equates to 15 pairs? Adjustable dumbbells are affordable, space-friendly, and convenient, which is why they're the perfect addition to any home gym. However, getting the best adjustable dumbbells is quite challenging when you have plenty of models available on the market with a decent design and innovative features. All the products mentioned above are a perfect blend of versatility and innovation, providing the users the best-in-class experience. Choose wisely which product suits you the best and will fulfill all your requirements. Let us know in the comments which model works for you the best and why. Thank you for watching the video, and that is all for this one. If you find this video helpful in any way, give a huge thumbs up, stay tuned for the upcoming videos by subscribing to our channel. See you guys in the next one.